We are celebrating all week our anniversary sale, so I've taken 29% off these prices, and these just can't get better. They just are really good prices. Individually they're priced, so you'll have to check the website. But anyway, this is a wool cashmere. It's a navy, it has stretch in one direction, but it's so soft and beautiful. Whatever you did with this, you will love forever. It is stunningly gorgeous. It's a deep navy. It's a beautiful color. The feel is, oh my goodness, it's just off the charts. A wool cashmere blend. It's simply stunning. And again, you'll have to check the prices. The color is just perfect for spring. The sparkle is perfect. I can see a little, even top and bottom, the same color. It'd be absolutely stunning. Very much acris looking. It has stretch in both directions, just so you know. It's a cotton poly. Beautiful piece. And again, you'll have to look at our sale prices. Our sale prices are phenomenal. This is an Emmanuel Ungaro. This is 100% cotton. It's a cotton file. You can see a little bit like a corduroy, but much, much finer. It has stretch in one direction. Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful. The floral is beautiful, and it's just a wonderful match. I put it with the navy. I put it with the different colors that it matches with beautifully, so you could choose the color that you wanted to go with it. This is 100% wool. Again, a great price on this, like ridiculous price on this. It's called the Florida wool, where you see both sides are usable. There's really no difference between where they are created. Just a lovely piece. And again, I've combined this whole group to where it really blends together beautifully. This is 100% silk. It's a tone on tone. Would be absolutely gorgeous blouse. It would rival something that would cost $1,000 or so. It's really, really beautiful. You can see again, both sides are usable. Even a little scarf or something would be lovely. 100% silk. It's fluid. It's very beautiful. And then this also is 100% silk. These are our anniversary fabrics. Aren't they stunning? We've just come a long way, baby. Both sides are usable on this. Again, a beautiful blouse. You could just do a shell underneath. You could do a pink shell underneath that would really be reflective of the season. That would be really beautiful. But this is 100% silk. It's a woven. And the goal is, you know what, you guys? Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns. And happy anniversary to all of us. And don't forget, check out those shoes. Those new shoes on Fit to Stitch. Oh, you're going to love them. All right. Happy sewing. Bye.